Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 1, we're going to go ahead and go over Chapter 2, Lesson 9. Here are the objectives. Make sure you write them down in your notes. Alright, example 12. An alloy of metals is 25% copper. Another alloy is 50% copper. How much of each should be used to make 1,000 grams of an alloy that is 45% copper? So these kind of problems are actually going to be called mixture problems. And as you can see here, we are given grams, percent, and a total. These ones you're going to have to come up with. I already wrote them down because for time's sake. But we have grams that we need to pay attention to and percent. And always this last box column over here will be total. Our first mixture is alloy 1, which is going to be our 25% copper. And we don't know how many grams it will be yet, so we're just going to say X, since we do not know. Our percent, though, for alloy 1 is 25%. Let's put this as a decimal, so this will be 0.25. And in order to find our total, we multiply them. So I'm going to show that multiplication symbol right there. So 0.25x. Alright, alloy 2. And let's look at the grams. We still don't know how many grams this is, but we do know our whole mixture will be 1,000 grams in the end. So in order to find the grams for alloy 2, we're going to have 1,000 minus x. We do know our percent, which is 50, so I'm going to have it as 0.50. And once again, to find our total, we're going to multiply across. So I have that symbol here so you can see it. And this one would be 0.5 times 1,000 minus x. Alright, so let's go ahead. We have the grams all taken care of. Now let's finish up with the percents. We're going to go ahead and, well, it tells us we want 45% copper mixture. So 0.45, because we have to change it to a decimal. And then this last total will be multiplied across as well. So 0.45 times 1,000. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pay attention to this total box. So I'm going to go ahead and box it in so you know exactly which one I'm talking about. So a plus between here and an equal sign. We're making our own little equation here. So we have 0.25 plus 0.5 times 1,000 minus x, which is equal to 0.45 times 1,000. And this makes sense because what we're saying is alloy 1 plus alloy 2 with our grams and percent is equal to our mixture, which we want to be 45% of copper for the 1,000 grams. But we still need to solve for x. So now we know how much alloy metals is for 25% of copper. We have 200 grams for 25%. And now we need to find out how much it would be for 50% copper. So for our 50% copper, well, we know we already have a total of 1,000. 1,000 minus 200 is 800. 800 grams for 50% of copper. Done.